Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to declare variables and do simple stuff with those variables. All right, let's start. So what are we going to do? We're going to use the war keyword. Shout out to my JavaScript folks. Yes, we're going to use the war keyword. All right, after the war keyword, it is followed by the variable name. All right, we're just going to name the variable A. So A is a variable that's containing something, right? Next, we're going to define the data type because it's a statically typed language and we need to tell the data type. What is the data type? Oh, well, it's int. We're just going to create an integer, all right? So yeah, we have a variable here, but I guess we're just going to define the value here itself. We don't have to, but we're going to do it anyway, all right? We are going to define the value as 1. Makes sense. Okay. Then we're going to define the value of b. It's another variable. We're just creating another variable. All right, so I just wanted to show you that you don't have to do it this way. You can just, assign the value after the variable declaration. That's also possible. And then in the next line, we're going to print the sum of this variable. So let's just create another variable, right? That would be simpler. For some okay, let's just make it more simpler. More is equal to 2, and then sum, we're just going to declare it, and then int data type, and then sum is equal to a plus b. All right, so what did we do here? We declared two variables, a and b, with the values 1 and 2 respectively, and then we declared a variable called sum of data type integer, and then we are assigning the value a plus b. So the sum of these two variables are assigned to sum. All right, makes sense. And then in the next line, we're going to print it to the console or the terminal. Okay, let's see what happens. The sum of, all right, so basically this println, we can have multiple things in here separated by commas, and it adds a space, all right? So it adds a space between each argument. A, and again a string, and then the next variable b, comma, is, and then we're gonna print the sum. Let's see if it works. All right, clicking run. 1 and 2 is 3. Wow, it worked. I'm surprised. All right, it actually worked. All right, so we have variables here, a, b, sum, and a plus b is assigned to the variable sum. All right, simple enough. Let's just do it this way also. Either way, it makes no difference. All right, let's just run it. It works. Okay, that works. It's cool. But you know what? I don't like this. All right, JavaScript, you can declare a variable let a is equal to 1. All right, simple enough. War a is equal to 1. It's JavaScript. But you know what? Go takes it a step further. You want to be absolutely as simple as possible? Why don't we just remove all this unnecessary stuff? Why integer? Let Go assume it. All right, Go knows it's a number. I mean, it's a smart language. It knows it's a number, but no need of that. And already, if you're doing it this way, we know it's a variable. So why the war keyword? We don't need that. A is equal to 1, and we just have to add a colon here, just to tell the compiler it is, a variable. So what Go does here is that it just creates a variable a, and it assigns the value 1. And then it infers the data type based on what we give on the right hand side. So Go is amazing language in this sense. Just look at how simple it is. You can just create variables out of the blue like this without even a keyword. That's amazing. That's pretty amazing. All right, so we're gonna do it that way for everything. Sum is equal to, let's try it out. Let's see what happens. All right. It works. It works. Yep, that is it. That is as simple as it gets. You have a variable a, b, 1, 2. Sum is a plus b, 1 plus 2, that's 3, and that is assigned to sum. And then we're printing the sum of a, which is 1, and b, which is 2, is sum, which is what? 3. Just what we get here. It's as simple as that. All right, so that's about it for this video. We'll go to the next video. We'll be talking about functions. All right, hope this helps, and thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.